Autel just dropped one of the most powerful mid-range scanners, the MaxiPRO MP900. But is it really worth your money? Can it handle full system diagnostics, coding, and advanced service functions like a pro tool? Today, I'll test it live, show real card diagnosis, and give you my honest opinion. Let's start. Section 1. Device Overview. The Autel MaxiPRO MP900 is a new generation tablet scanner, built for workshops, DIY mechanics, and mobile technicians. 7-inch touchscreen, Android OS, fast boot, Wi-Fi updates, and strong build quality. Section 2. Main features. Full system diagnostics. It reads and clears codes from engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, BCM, AC, etc. Live data plus freeze frame. Hot functions or service reset. Oil reset, EPB, SAS, BMS, throttle adaptation, DPF regeneration, injector coding. Smart Auto VIN. Instantly identifies the vehicle model and pulls all modules. Fast processor plus stable UI. Smooth navigation, quick scanning. Section 3. Real car test. Let's plug it into the car and see how the MP900 performs. Step by step. Connected the VCI to the OBD port. Autoscan detected all modules in seconds. Engine module detected misfire code. ABS module, no faults. Live data, RPM, O2 sensors, fuel trims, the refresh rate is fast. Section 4. What's in the box? When you purchase the Autel MaxiPRO MP900, you get main MP900 tablet, OBD cables and accessories, USB power adapter, user manual, carrying case, 1-year free software updates. Section 5. Pros and cons. Pros. Fast scanning, full system coverage, strong service functions, wireless VCI, easy-to-use interface, good price for features. Cons. No ECU coding. Updates become paid after 1 year, not as advanced as Autel Elite series. Section 6. Final verdict. If you're a beginner, mobile mechanic, or small workshop owner, this is a great mid-range scanner. The Autel MaxiPRO MP900 delivers strong diagnostics, smooth performance, and reliable service functions for a reasonable price. If you want more scanner reviews, tool comparisons, and real car tests, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Comment below which scanner you want me to review next.